In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get access to a high limit credit card. Now, today we have Bank of America. Now, Bank of America does have multiple different credit cards, but we will be speaking about their Bank of America Premium Rewards credit card. Now, the good thing about this credit card is you can receive 60,000 online bonus points, which equals at a value of $600. After you make at least $4,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of your account opening. Now, they do also have a low $95 annual fee plus no foreign transaction fees. With this credit card, you can earn unlimited points, 2 points for every $1 spent on travel and dining purchases, and 1.5 points per $1 spent on all other purchases. Now, Preferred Rewards members can earn a 25% up to 75% rewards on bonus on every purchases. Now, there is no limit to the points you can earn, and plus, your points don't ever expire. Now, you can redeem for cashback as a deposit into Bank of America checking or savings account for credit to eligible Merrill accounts, including 529 accounts, as a statement credit to your credit card or for a gift card and purchases at the Bank of America Travel Center. Now, with this credit card, you can also get up to $100 in airline accidental statement credit annually for qualifying purchases as a seat upgrade, baggage fees, and flight services and airline launch fees automatically applied to your credit card statement. Now, with this credit card, they do also offer $100 in airport security statement credit towards TSA pre-check and globally entry application fees every 4 years. Now, they do have travel insurance protection to protect you against trip delays, cancellations, and interruptions, baggage delays, inconvenience, lost luggage, and emergency and transportation. Now, the application process is very simple and straightforward. It takes about 30 seconds to see if you have been approved or denied. Now, if you have been approved for this credit card, you will see a hard inquiry on your credit report. Now, they do have some pros and cons when it comes to this credit card. The good thing about this credit card is they have high reward rates. They also offer 75,000 points initial reward bonus, and there is also no foreign transaction fees. Now, the downside about this credit card is there is a high membership fee, no intro APR on purchases, no intro APR on balance transfers. Now, in order to be eligible for this credit card, you must have a 670 credit score and above. So if you have a 670 credit score and above, you could be approved. Again, this is all based on credit worthiness. Now, the APR, as I did mention, is pretty high. It's between 20% up to 27.24%. But again, this is based on credit worthiness. Now, the APR for balance transfers is up to 27.24%. And again, this is also based on credit worthiness. And they also have the APR for cash advance, which is up to 29.24%. And again, based on credit worthiness. Now, I do recommend paying this credit card off at least at the 25-day billing cycle. Okay, so if you pay your entire balance by the due date each month, they would not charge you any interest on cash advance and balance transfers. So, if you guys are looking for a credit card with a high limit up to $10,000, this could be the card for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure that you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you could be notified.